Rollover is a simple to use and exclusive feature for derivatives traders who want to carry forward their positions to the next month. The process includes squaring off your current position and creating a similar position in the next month contract. And usually, while doing this process manually, traders usually incur some loss. Rollover feature will help you execute the whole process in just a single click and forwarding your positions at minimum possible loss. To use this feature, log into the 5paisa app and navigate to Book. Click on Position tab and find the derivative position you want to roll over. Here we have a long position in August contract. Click on the blue icon that says Roll. On the next screen, you will see the transactions breakup for the rollover process. Click on Place Orders and you are done. See how easily you can do rollover here. Log into the 5paisa app to explore more exciting features.